Hi, and welcome to Year 6 Maths Reasoning Test. Here you've got just over 20 questions, whereby you've got various different types of questions to work out, and it will require quite a bit of working out. So this original question, the first question here, states the original price of this car is £8,999. What is the sale price of the car? Choose the correct option. And by looking at the figure, we can see that the sale price is £1,100 off. So in this case, it would be a straightforward subtraction question. Let's just work this out. So 9 take away 0 is 9. 9 take away 0 is 9. 9 take away 1 is 8. And 8 take away 1 is 7. So in that case, after the £1,100 off, our sale price for this particular car will be £7,899. The questions are of mixed ability, and they're various different questions, so be careful and do your working out beforehand. And like usual, we'll go through the questions in order in our next follow-up class with you. Thank you.